Last minute thoughts, yo, check it. I'm an animal rap killer, I spit dirty. Going against me, you in trouble like you skipped jury. You can't handle the big shots, you miss birdies. Rhymes overlap like hands on the clock at 6:30. I be focused on my music and attracting fans. You be focused on your loot when you be packing grams. My words are lethal and it's really getting out of hand. I warned you, you should've killed me when you had the chance. Cause I could wake up, take a shower neat, smoke an ounce of the weed, have intercourse out on the beach, and then I'll meet out on the street, beat a coward and beef and devour a beat. All that just 3 hours of sleep. Yeah, you're trying to rap, but you're blind to the facts that you always lie in your tracks about the crime in your past. You suck, your rhyming is whack and your timing is bad. You claim that you're the best, but you couldn't get signed in the cast. The only thing you say in all your raps is you mac dimes, but every time you flirt you're getting smacked and it backfires. You think that you a thug, but you a fag and you act kind. And every time you spit, the people laugh at your whack rhymes. This music is a part of me, I rap to the flat line. The difference is I'm getting started, you on the back nine. I vow to spit flames till ain't nobody as raw as me, and always bring pain to anybody who crosses me. Yeah, this ain't a hobby, man. I'm not playing no more. I'm trying to do something with this, yeah. Yo, follow me, check it. I'm killing them with better lines, metaphors and clever rhymes, metal swords and several knives, kettlebells and 7 spines, bitter ways and never shine, spitting gay like feather line. Do yourself a favor and go take your grave ahead of time. Cause all you whack MCs and khaki jeans are facts to me. I'm rhyming over apathy, it has to be a masterpiece. Rapidly be rapping, freezing, casually attacking beats, while you order mac and cheese and daiquiris at Applebee's. I'm earning respect and always burning in sessions. I learn from the legends and that's why every word is perfection. I ain't concerned with suggestions, only verbs in the sentence. Plus I can smack the moon and turn into a permanent crescent. Yeah, I'm bottomless, you too simple-minded to follow it. I be sucking the model sticks while you suck on and swallow dicks. You claim you're holding hostages and rolling Glocks with clips, but mechanical pencils the only time you tell what hollow tips. Soon I'll be the new rapper all of your friends quote. Hate me all you want, but can't deny that my pen's dope. So all my real rap fans, that's who I lend hope. Back into the 90s era, that's why I send folks. So labels, please listen if I send you an envelope. I murder instrumentals every time that my pen strokes. I vow to spit flames till ain't nobody is raw as me, and always bring pain to anybody who crosses me. Yeah, and that's real. But before I go, I just thought I'd leave you a little something. Yeah, follow me, yo, check it. This is hard to the core, I'm raw forevermore. Yeah, hard to the core, I'm raw forevermore. Hard to the core, I'm raw forevermore. I spar with the sword, with the bars of record. This is hard to the core, I'm raw forevermore. Yeah, hard to the core, I'm raw forevermore. Hard to the core, I'm raw forevermore. I spar with the sword, with the bars of record. Yeah, and that's real. I'd like to thank everybody who actually listened. Yeah, until next time. Well, hopefully next time things will have changed. Yeah, just have to wait and see, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, you sure you know what to expect. This is anti-auto-tune, anti-mainstream, anti-radio, anti-everything you stand for. Yeah, I'm coming for blood. You know what this is? This is murder rap. Yo, I'm a fucking beast, a disgusting freak, raping nuns and priests. Cause I've been violent since the day that I discovered peace. Never nothing sweet, I murder snares and leave the drums to cease. My paint corruption sheets, stab a song and acupuncture beats. You're more than desperate, I forced a weapon in your direction. The fork's embedded in your intestine, just scorched and breathless. Now you're stored and kept in my basement cellar that's corpse infested. Born relentless, experimenting with different torture methods. I was rhyming and making features while you were chasing divas. I'm a rapper and great achiever, you can't relate to either. A sacred preacher, I'll take a cleaver, recite your facial features, claiming that you're sick when your pussies couldn't even break a fever. I don't give a fuck about new cars and big chains. You can go to hell with your smooth talk and bitch claims. You should've known by now that my true bars inflict pain. I bring terror to beasts when I drool sparks and spit flames. My words are wise, I rap hard, my flow is turning tides. You're burned alive, I sip liquor and like my bourbon dry. I spit a verse of mine on the stage with the curtains wide. So quit saying that you gon' murder guys, you wouldn't hurt a fly. I keep the rhythm, the way I kill it should be forbidden. The demon's risen, I'm lawless and don't believe religion. You'll be a victim when I stop creating deep incisions. So get familiar with fish because you're gonna be sleeping with them. This is hip-hop and it has some baggy jeans. This is hardcore, sipping jack and passing weed. This is head-knob music with a purple hat. Faggots split it, put the verses back. This is murder rap. This is hip-hop and it has some baggy jeans. This is hardcore, sipping jack and passing weed. This is head attraction. Your brains are bashing until it stains the napkin. I'm bringing what the game is lacking. This is dangerous rapping. Your shameless passion's pathetic. I can't refrain from laughing. If I hear a track, I'm taking action. I'm a trained assassin. I'm in the booth with machetes, razors, and Tommy guns. I only rap over heavy bass and atomic drums. A verse of mine can leave the optics in your sockets numb. We're born with original sin, so why should I stop at one? My lyrical ways cause a miserable face. My criminal traits intimidate political snakes. So now I'm puffing on the cushion till my visuals fade, and taking rap to put it back in its original state. I got a beat obsession which motivates me to write and see progression. I speak key conceptions to release you from your deep depression. It's cause of rap that I don't need a weapon to release aggression. I bleed in heaven, I box with God and I dream inception. I keep it coming cause I know you fans in need of substance. Your speakers bumping from my vocals and obscene production. Bang the repercussions, say you suffer from a beat concussion. No sleep, faggot, yeah, well you about to meet his cousin. This is hip-hop and it has some baggy jeans. This is hardcore, sipping, jacking, passing weed. This is head nod music with a purple at. Faggots with it, put the verses back. This is murder rap. This is hip-hop and it has some baggy jeans. This is hardcore, sipping, jacking, passing weed. This is head nod music with a purple at. Faggots with it, put the verses back. This is murder rap. For the Charlestown bank robbers, this one's for you. Come on.
I'm a rubber magnet, I'm a bounce down south with a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth. Stick up the dope man, I know what the fuck I'm about. With a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth. When your whole shit stash box under the couch. With a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth. Run up in your mama's house and air everyone out. With a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth.
Let's smoke a bundle of embalming fluid. Sticking I'm in cob, I'ma climb into it. All I need is an 8-ball and a 9 to do it. I'll put the fucking driver in the trauma unit, or I know some wannabes sloppy with keys, with coke and cash in the crib. Probably trees, we'll get him drunk, passed out and copy his keys. Open his door, rope up his whore and then breeze. I know the time for a robbery is very long, but it really doesn't bother me. I need to get rich, bitch, cause I'm drug sick. I got a mask, gloves, gun, and a thug click. Fuck a big cop faggot or a mug flick. We get away clean, we'll never be seen. And this is the American dream, so we fight for it, kill for it, whatever it means.
I'm a rubber magnet, I'm a bounce down south with a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth. Stick up the dope man, I know what the fuck I'm about. With a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth. When your whole shit stash box under the couch. With a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth. Run up in your mama's house and air everyone out. With a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth.
It's the Iron Man with the 9 in his hand. Got my mind on my plan, cause I grind for the fam. Kick in the door, waving the fofo. Run the cushion, the cash, get your ass on the floor. Tie his hands round his back with extension cords. You was slipping backstage at the Source Awards. I call DMS, you call EMS. FDNY, NYPD. We get high committing strong arm robberies. Don't matter if it's crack, hair on, or trees. When the gun's in your face, you gon' open the safe. Unless you really wanna know how a bullet'll taste.
I'm a rubber magnet, I'm a bounce down south with a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth. Stick up the dope man, I know what the fuck I'm about. With a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth. When your whole shit stash box under the couch. With a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth. Run up in your mama's house and air everyone out. With a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth.
I pull hammers like double aces. My desert eagles in your fucking faces. It's Billy Crystal, the fucking greatest. A really cool guy, run up on you, shoot nines. A fucking idiot, I ain't afraid to do time. Addicted to money, I ain't afraid to do crime. Addicted to pussy, X-rated with 2 times. I fall asleep at night, clutching a biscuit. Hotter than a kilo, but cocaine in a bucket of chicken. Listen, we big earners with big burners, a bunch of murderers. Fuck a heater, I beat you to death with furniture. Throw chairs and tables, kitchen sinks. Listen, bitch, we the shit. Motherfucker, this is it. We the real thing, we bring Scorsese to reality. I turn hard-fired behavior into salaries. I jump out a helicopter and pop ya. Run up on you while you're on Burger King eating a Whopper.
I'm a rubber magnet, I'm a bounce down south with a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth. Stick up the dope man, I know what the fuck I'm about. With a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth. When your whole shit stash box under the couch. With a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth. Run up in your mama's house and air everyone out. With a smile on my face and my gun in your mouth.